You've got a utility bill due today. You finally sit down at your computer to pay it, and wait, what's your account number again? It's a surprisingly common and, let's be real, incredibly frustrating roadblock. When you urgently need to pay a bill, report a power outage, or just manage your service, the very last thing you want is to be locked out of your own account just because a string of digits completely slipped your mind. We have absolutely all been there, staring at that login screen, feeling that sudden rush of stress. But don't worry, you are not permanently locked out.
Welcome to today's Explainer. Our mission today is to navigate the Dominion Energy digital ecosystem to find those missing account details quickly, securely, and with zero headache. We're going to break down exactly how you can recover your account number, bypass those annoying login issues, and get your utility management right back on track.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Here is our roadmap. First, why go online? Second, accessing the account portal. Third, locating your account number. Fourth, troubleshooting common issues. Fifth, security and additional tips. And finally, support and contact info.
Let's start with Section 1, Why Go Online? The benefits of the Dominion Energy Portal.
Now, I know it's super frustrating right now when you can't find your details and you just want to get this over with, but getting your online access sorted out is incredibly valuable for the long haul. Your online dashboard puts you completely in control of your utility needs. When you're fully logged in, you can make payments directly from your bank account completely free of charge. You also get the power to review your energy usage on an hourly, daily, and monthly basis. And that is the first major step toward optimizing your home's energy efficiency and actually lowering those bills. Beyond that, you can quickly report power outages, manage your billing notifications, and even start, stop, or move your service entirely online. It is totally worth the effort to get this set up.
Moving right along to Section 2, Accessing the Account Portal and Navigating the Login Gateway.
Let's walk through the front door of the website together. You'll just go to dominionenergy.com and click the Sign In button up at the top. Enter your registered email address and your password. Then you'll hit the multi-factor authentication step. I know, waiting around for that text message code can feel like an extra hoop to jump through when you're in a massive hurry, but it's an absolutely crucial security measure to keep unauthorized eyes off your sensitive data.
Section 3, Locating your account number and exactly where to look first.
So, the crucial point here is, where exactly is this number hiding? Well, if you can successfully log in using your email and password, you're going to find your account number displayed proudly right on the main dashboard, right next to your energy usage data. But what if you aren't logged in yet? Well, you should check the top of your physical paper bill if you still receive those in the mail. If you're enrolled in paperless billing, people constantly overlook the fact that the account number usually sits right at the top of your e-bill notification email. Just search your inbox for emails from Dominion Energy, and you'll probably find it staring right back at you in the header. But let's say you're facing the ultimate catch-22. You can't log in because you literally need the account number to register for an online account in the first place, and you don't have a paper bill or an email handy. Don't panic. Dominion Energy has a specific automated recovery portal just for this exact scenario. It's their Forgot Account Number tool.
This secure interface basically evaluates your submitted fields against active database records to confirm your identity before handing over those sensitive customer details. It's a dual-track validation process. First, you'll provide your first and last name along with your email address. Then, you verify your identity using the last 4 digits of your social security number. Finally, you enter your exact service address, which means the house number, street name, and zip code. Once the system matches all of this up, it will safely retrieve your account number for you.
Section 4, Troubleshooting Common Issues. Let's overcome some of those digital hurdles.
Because, let's be honest, sometimes technology just doesn't cooperate on the first try. If you're running into roadblocks, here's a quick troubleshooting matrix based directly on Dominion Energy's official guidance. If you're hitting a system error or a frustrating page timeout, the quickest and most effective fix is simply clearing your internet browser's cookies and cache. If that fails, try logging in from a completely different web browser. If your problem is a forgotten password, just use the Forgot Your Password link on the login page, and the system will email you reset instructions. And if you're missing a PIN number required for account verification, there's a dedicated Get PIN form you can complete online to set one up.
Now here is an incredible shortcut for you. Once you successfully retrieve that account number and your billing zip code, you don't actually have to go through the whole portal registration process if you're in a massive rush. You can just use the Dominion Energy guest payment option. This is an excellent workaround for users who just need to make an immediate, one-time payment today without navigating the full login gateway right now.
All right, Section 5, Security and Additional Tips, specifically the Dominion Energy app.
If you want to avoid this entire headache of lost passwords and missing account numbers next time around, downloading the mobile app is absolutely the way to go. And this brilliantly illustrates why. The web portal requires remembering your email, typing out a complex password, and waiting around for an MFA code. But the mobile app? It uses your smartphone's native fingerprint or facial ID recognition for instant, highly secure access. No memorization required at all.
The app really is a game changer for staying organized. Aside from that fast, secure biometric login, you can set up push notifications so you literally never miss a bill reminder again. It also features a highly intuitive interface for reporting power outages and tracking restoration progress right on a map directly from your phone. Plus, you can easily view your current bills and make secure payments with just a few simple taps.
Finally, Section 6. Support and contact information. Reaching out for help.
We have to acknowledge that sometimes, no matter what you do, you might still find yourself locked out, or you might just have a really unique situation that the automated tools can't handle. When that happens, it is perfectly fine to escalate the issue to a real human. If your service region is in Virginia or North Carolina, you can reach Dominion Energy customer support at 866-366-4357. If you're in South Carolina, the number to call is 800-251-7234. They have representatives ready to help you verify your identity and get you back into your account.
As we wrap up our roadmap today, please note this important disclaimer. This explainer is for educational purposes only. If you're dealing with complex issues, billing disputes, or highly specific queries regarding your utility service, you should always rely on official Dominion Energy channels for a final resolution. Staying proactive and using their official support numbers or secure website is definitely the best way to keep your personal data safe.
So, with all these tools and troubleshooting steps at your disposal, are you ready to take control of your digital energy account and never lose your details again? By taking just 5 minutes today to set up your online profile or configure the mobile app with biometric login, you're going to save yourself a massive amount of stress the next time a bill is due. Thanks for learning with us today, and we'll see you in the next explainer.